Everything I need. Except one thing. Hey! Excuse me! Hey! Hey, bud, you ever think that there's gotta be more?
More than what?
The stuff we do day after day.
Literally not once.
Today's gonna be different, Coffee. What are we looking at?
How are you?
We ran into each other the other day.
How did you find me?
I waited outside by the murder train.
Guys, I have to tell you something. There is no easy way to say this. This world is a video game.
The world outside your window. And that people can find characters they can see themselves in.
Bringing a piece of art to life, it's difficult to not put yourself into the work.
I'd do anything but to be here right now. Grandma was a tough lady with a big heart. And little by little, she brought me out of my sadness. Now if you feel that you can't go on, darling.
The master.
This held prisoner in Tower Grey Prison.
500 years. No one has ever escaped. Anyone who can get to the top is free. Who is next? I've been waiting for this for a long time.
You look bad at this way.
I owe you my life.
I'm going east. Come with me.
My feelings has changed. Something is very wrong. She's an evil bitch.
Now one day has passed.
I don't want to be like anyone. I want to be an apex predator.
You've always had everything, while people like me have had nothing. Well, now it's my turn. Get used to it.
I've never been one for rules. The answer is always more. The way I fly, they will never find us.
I forgot to tell you.
What?
Radar.
Will they shoot at us?